SEHO Tech specializes in manufacturing recycling equipment. Let me introduce you to the new Trommel Crusher 60. New product, Trommel Crusher 60. Trommel Crusher 60 is used for recycling waste glass wool / mineral wool / perlite insulation / ceramic wool. To help reduce waste and promote sustainability, an innovative recycling process has been developed for these insulation materials. This is a video of the Trommel Crusher 60 that's actually in operation. Trommel Crusher 60. Reprocessing complete. After the treatment, the thermal insulation is transformed into recyclable particles. Please send me an email to inquire about equipment. Thanks for watching.